What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to create this cool little sketch that's me short, sweet, and awesome. So I hope you like it. We're using Affinity Designer. Let's get started. Alright, cool. So we're just going to go ahead and I thought I would try to be a little more like abstract with my drawings. So I just started with just a random shape and then I just started kind of tracing around it. And it was extremely rough, the sketch, but you know, that's what a sketch is, right? So this is just me going ahead and just making some amazing things. It looks like I'm drawing with this. Anyways, so we're going ahead and we're making this, and I thought it'd be cool if he's like a Warris kind of character. This was inspired, I guess, by I just watched the part of the Monsters University. So my niece was over, we had a fun time. I was like, hey, you know, let me just try to do that, and I'm trying to work on my like hatching and stuff. And I haven't really read too much into it, but I had this design for a client, so I just thought I would, and it was using hatching and stuff, so I'm just gonna try to work with it more because it's a pretty fun style and stuff. So yeah, overall it needs a lot more work and polish. I think it'd look better with color and stuff. So if you guys want, if you're join the Discord, go ahead and I'll give you like the sketch and stuff, and you guys can color it whatever color you want. Yeah, so this is me doing the worst perspective I've ever seen and trying to get better with my perspective drawing and stuff like that. Ironically enough, I just the guy on the side, he's like the employee of the month or whatever. I think he looked like a better monster than the main monster, so I was like, dang, I probably should have kept that guy right here, Steve. And so yeah, I have a real trouble with 3/4 face drawings. I just don't fully understand them, I guess, because I'm always like drawing it at like a straight on, because straight on is so easy compared to like perspective and volume. So I'm still learning and growing, and hopefully I can sit down and actually do a proper study. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna try to post some more. I know I've been saying that I was gonna do that, but you know, it's pretty stressful. I've been studying and had a lot of client work and trying to release a new Skillshare video. Go check out my Skillshare, by the way, if you haven't already. And yeah, so just comment if you want to collab or what you'd like to see more of. I mean, seriously, do it. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys then. See ya.